Now I will discuss about a blade directive, that is if statement. As I am going to use all the blade syntax instead of PHP, so there are some directives that Laravel gives us. What are those? I will discuss most of them one by one. So I am going to my views. Here I am going to create a view file, that is home.blade.php, and here from the web.php, here I am going to call my view, and here I will pass some information. For example, country equal to Bangladesh. So okay, this is a variable, and here I will pass it, that is the country, and this is a variable. So here, if you normally write the PHP statement, what actually will happen? Here we can easily use the if statement, right? So if, what I will do, if for example country, if country equal to double equal Bangladesh, then we can do anything. For example, we can write the echo Bangladesh, and then we can also use else echo no country selected. So something like that, right? So it will work very well in Laravel also. If I refresh, you see that Bangladesh. But if I change the country name here, for example India, then what will happen? No country selected. So this is just a condition. I am going back to make the country Bangladesh. Okay. So this type of statement, that is if statements, we can change and we can use the blade directives instead of this. There are many blade directives. If is one blade directives, there is if, then for the else there is end if, and also there is else, also there is else if, etc. Okay, so we will check this. So here you see that this is the if. So here country equal Bangladesh. So we will just write this condition into this if blade directive here as a parameter. So here we write if country equal Bangladesh, then I will show the country name Bangladesh, right, like this. Then this is and there is another one, that is else if. Else if I am going to give another country, for example the country if equal to India, then I will show the country India. And another one is else, and else is other country, another country, or I can put another country that is not Bangladesh and India. Okay, so this is very easy, and at last you will have to call the end if, otherwise it will show error. So I use the blade directive if, else, and end if, and at the rate of you will have to write in the starting of is directive. So just remember this. Now I am going to remove this. This is not needed. The code is more clean, right? So now what I will do, I will test. If I refresh, you see that Bangladesh, it is working. If I change the country India, so here else if will work. That means if I refresh India, that means else if is working. If else is working, in order to check, I am going to give another country, and here refresh another country that is not Bangladesh and India. So you see that it is working perfectly here, right? So this is the if, else, if this directive. There is another type of if directive. For example, in PHP, what we did in the case of isSet, if there is any value in a variable, in order to check, we used like this: if isSet, then for example city, if there is this has any value, then we can call there is city. So this type of thing we can replace in blade directive, that is isSet. There is isSet, and in the end you will have to call end isSet. In the isSet you will have to call this one, if isSet city. So here you can call like this if there is city. Another example is, in PHP we used that is if empty city. There was another if statement like this. So this thing we can also replace by the empty and end empty. So in this way you can just call it like this. This means if empty city. This equivalent is this one, and here you can do something. So in this way you can easily use the blade directives for the if statements in Laravel.